The Google VEO 3 can now generate images into videos. Let me show you how.
Step 1. Create the prompt. Alright, first things first, we need a prompt. Don't worry, I've made it super easy for you. Just copy the prompt I put in the description below. Replace the text inside the quotation marks with what you want your image and video to look like. For example, maybe a battle between samurai and ninja in feudal Japan. Once your prompt is ready, open up Gemini or ChatGPT if that's what you're using. Since VEO 3 is inside Gemini, I'll just use Gemini here. Then paste the prompt into the chat box and tap Send. After a few seconds, Gemini will give you 2 prompts in return. One for text to image and one for image to video. Just copy both and save them in your Notes app so they're ready to use later. Step 2. Generate the image. Now let's generate the image. Take the text-to-image prompt you just got from Gemini and go back to the chat. Type Create IMG at the top. Then paste the prompt underneath it. Hit Send. Wait for the image to be generated. And that's it. Your AI-generated picture is ready. When you see the result, go ahead and download it to your galleries so you can use it in the next step. Step 3. Turn the image into a video. Here comes the magic, turning your still image into a moving video with VEO 3. Start by opening a new chat in Gemini. Inside the chat box, you'll see a video button. Tap on that. Now upload the image you saved earlier. Then go back to your notes, copy the image to video prompt Gemini gave you, and paste it into the chat. Tap Send. And now all you need to do is wait around 1 to 2 minutes while VEO 3 does its thing. Once the video is done, download it and save it to your gallery. Boom, you've got your very own AI-generated video. And there you go, from just a sentence to a full video, all in under 5 minutes. It's crazy how easy this is now, right? So what are you waiting for? Go try it out. Remember, you get 3 free generations every day on VEO 3. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to create. Catch you in the next one.